Hi beauty, welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how to make a 2-in-1 scrub for face and body. This is a lightening scrub. As you can see, all those are going out. We've got loads and loads of order coming in, and those of you that are still waiting, we're going to dispatch as soon as possible after the bank holiday. Thank you so much. You can see I'm so tired sleeping, and yeah, in today's video I'm making an 8,000 bash of sugar scrub, and starting with my water, distilled water. To make this kind of scrub, if you want, if you haven't watched my previous video, you need to go watch it. I'm going to leave the link in the description so that you can watch and also get some of the benefits described, skin benefit described in that video. In case I didn't put skin benefits in this video, check out that video, it will help. The only difference in this video is I'm infusing my oil, that's my water, and I'm infusing my my oil with some medicinal herbs, dry leaves, horsetails, and I'm gonna leave the name on the screen, and I'm gonna state the benefit of this. These are very good for any problematic skin. If you got like rashes on your skin, you've got anything like eczema, is very good. This scrub is an amazing scrub. If you got acne, it will help a lot. And also, yeah, this is my cocoa glucoside. So the phase A is the water I measured out. This is the phase B, which I'm gonna be measuring out. First, the cocoa glucoside, which is a mild surfactant, and also followed by the face foaming soap base, which has sea buctan and aloe vera in it, which is the one I'm measuring. And I'm just making a combination of all, which in total is going to be 800 grams. And the next one is the soap base, which is the one I'm pouring in. So in total I'm using 3 different type of soap, which are very mild on the skin, very good, and they help get rid of those dirt and oil. So yeah, so the next one, so this is my phase B I'm putting aside, and this bowl is going to be used to mix up the whole formulation. And next is my phase C. I'll start up with the measurement, but before I start, I'll be making in another formulation in my next video using this organic coconut scrub for face only. Amazing, it's very fantastic. I've used it, trust me. You need to watch my video every Friday, latest 4 from 3 p.m. video will be uploaded. Latest 5, it will be, you definitely between 3 to 5 it will be uploaded. So the next one is to start the phase C. I'm starting off with the glycerin. In my previous video I added the glycerin in the soap, so it's best to use it, add it in the soap. But in this formulation, because I just want to try it out, and if you do this process, it will take longer for your wax to melt, because we know glycerin is soluble in water. And yeah, but I just want something that will not affect my, especially my butters. I want to preserve that consistency, as in the best skin benefit in it, the beneficial effect of that butter. And yeah, so the next one is to add my grapeseed oil. That is the grapeseed oil. And when you're buying stuff, ensure you check the date. Date goes a long way. So you can see I'm showing you the date. It's very important to check the date. So so let's start. Now I'm gonna be measuring out the oil inside this. Next is to add my butters. I'm using mango butter and shea butter in this case. In my previous video, you need to check it. I'll put the link in the description. So I'm going to be using this to measure out the butters. I started out with the mango butter, followed by the shea butter, and that is it for the butter measurement. Next is the stearic acid. Stearic acid, as we know, acts as a cleansing agent. I'm gonna leave the full description of its benefit on the screen. And yeah, followed by the wax, e-wax. So I have one that is almost finished, so I use the new one after the old one. So that is my face C. So starting with the soap, which is the face B, so I'm going to be adding my SCI. I have the flake. I had to blend it to into powder. So if you have the flake, you can blend it, sorry, you can grind it, I mean, into smooth powder. So I wanted to add it, but I said it will be best for me to use a separate empty clean cup to measure how the actual weight I needed for this formulation. Next is to transfer the powder inside the soap, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. And also I need to show you the herbs I use in infusing my oil, which is as shown in the video. The two herbs I use. These are amazing herbs with great beneficial effect on the skin. And yeah, next is to measure out the whitening powder, the Giga White. I've started measuring it out, so that's it. So I'm just going to complete the oil measurement. I measured out 2% of my Giga White powder, and yes, that's what I'm doing now. Next is to add phase A and C together. What I did was I added the water, then I complete with the remaining water that was evaporated from the double boiler. So now we have to mix together. In this case, I will be using my hand mixer, which is the one as shown, to create that emulsion, emulsion effect, which as you can see. So after a while, I'm gonna add the phase B, which is the surfactant phase of yeah. So just gonna mix it thoroughly to ensure everything is properly mixed. Next is to add our phase B into it. Add and stir gradually, or just add it quickly and then you stir. Ensure that the SCI is well dissolved before you add it into it. So I continue with the hand mixer to mix all thoroughly. You can use your spatula to mix thoroughly, but I don't advise that you use the hand blender. So ensure your mixture is cool before adding your powder. That is my whitening powder. I'm adding my powder gradually and mixing it into the formulation. So as you can see, adding and mixing to ensure that everything mixed in thoroughly. Next is to add our polysorbate 80 and polysorbate 20 to help with the mixture binding, as well as the essential oil that will be added, followed by the preservative, which I'm adding now. It is very important to add preservative in your scrub because it comes in contact with water, followed by the vitamin E. Then I'm going to be adding for a fragrance. I didn't add vitamin A in this because the infused herbal leaf has great nourishing ingredients that will help a lot to combat any problematic skin or skin problem. So you don't want to complicate by adding too many things inside. You can check out my other video, which the link will be in my description. So I added 3 types of fragrance, and you have to know the percentage usage of each. So followed by followed by the propylene glycol that will help bind the whole product. So now is the sugar stage, to add in the sugar gradually. You have to add it gradually and mix as you add. So add in your sugar gradually and mix. Don't worry about the lumps, it's gonna dissolve in the mixture, in the formulation. And if you also want to press or break them down into smooth layers, it's okay, but you don't really need it. So you can see how I'm mixing. Just keep stirring and adding gradually and stir, adding and stir. This scrub is like 4 in 1. It helps to repair your skin because of the herbal infused leaves in the oil that is used in the formulation. It helps to rejuvenate your skin, it helps to glow your skin, it helps a lot as well to detox, because as you're scrubbing your skin, you are also activating circulation, blood circulation in your skin and on your face. Like I said, it's very foaming. It helps to repair and also restore the skin. It rejuvenates the skin, it glows your skin, it activates blood circulation that helps to detox your system as you apply the scrub on your skin and also on your face. Thank you so much, and bye.